Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. So you saw the title of this video. Pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to go into some technical reasons why I'm seeing what I'm seeing right now. Be prepared for a big drop to come. And I'm saying that based on what I'm seeing in the markets right now. So let me show you exactly what I'm seeing in the markets right now. And if you've been watching my videos for the last couple of months or the last couple of weeks, you know that I've been talking about this in the markets, okay? And I'm just going to talk about the indices. I'm going to talk about the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and Dow today. And they're pretty much doing the same sort of thing as well too. So if I bring up just this chart here, all right, we can see that, what do we see here on this chart here? I want to really talk about this. What do we see here, right? So we see that the market on this Dow Jones, we can see that we had a pullback through here. We had a bit of a sideways movement. See all these small bars, nothing happening. And then we had a breakdown bar. Actually, you know what? Let me stop there. Let me go to that weekly chart first. This is the weekly chart here, okay? So the weekly chart has been came down, came back up, created some sort of a potential false breakout. Actually, no, it was a false breakout because you can see, right? We had a big move up from there, and then it came back down, and now it's just been breaking back below this trend line through here, as you can see. But if I go back to this here, right? So we had this market moving up, and then the market came down. Now it's going sideways right now, but here's the key, right? Here's the key on what I'm seeing here right now. Look at this here. Let me actually I'll bring up, say, the indices here, right? Because it shows you exactly what I'm trying to share with you in much more detail here. Notice how we had this small pullback and we had all this volume through here. Volume, pullback. Notice this small bar, small bar, small bar, small bar, small bar, small bar. Notice all the small bars through here, okay? Notice the small volume. That means nothing going on. Breakdown bar, big volume. That's the DIA, the Dow Jones. The SPY, same thing, right? Look at this, actually pulled back towards the moving average. Small bars, not really much going on. Breakdown bar, volume, right? This is telling me that we're now likely to start to see a potential, probably is likely to start to see a break of these lows here. And if we start to get that, which is probably likely to happen based on that volume there, look at that. This has a long way to go. And if that happens, then I would say we're likely to start to see a race back down towards that level there. And if that happens, if we start to get this, because again, no one really knows, right? But by this here, if we start to break this low, that's probably likely to be the start of the downward move that start to come. And if we do get that, then we're likely to start to race back down towards it. And if we start to get that, then guess what? The overall weekly chart this is probably then now starting to see the start of the next bear market in the market, right? This is the potential start. This is the potential top right now we're experiencing before the bear market comes for the next couple of years. So keep an eye on this right now, right? What we want to start to see, right, on that weekly chart is that if the market starts to if we start to create a lower close below this here, right? So the SPY, it's 275. If we start to get a close below that level there, lower low, that's game over. Then I'm not saying it's going to go straight down, but that's when we're probably likely to start to see some stair-stepping phases and start a probably 1 to probably 2 year, maybe even more, bear market in the market. So that's what you want to keep an eye out for, right? That'll be the key. Short term, I just shared with you what I'm seeing on the daily chart. We're likely to see a downward move. If that downward move on the daily chart that I showed you just then starts to see a correlation is breaking down this lower low, that's probably likely to see a stair-stepping phase. Again, it's not going to go straight down like this, guys. But if we do start to get like I just shared with you just then, if we do start to get a break below this level through here, then we're likely to start to see a break. If we get a breakdown, lower low, who's in control? Sellers. Then we're probably likely to see a bit of a rally. But guess what? Who's in control right now? Sellers. And then the sellers are likely to keep knocking it back down. Make sense? Why? Because higher highs and higher lows, buyers in control. Sideways, no one in control. Lower lows, lower highs, who's in control, right? Market drops down. Just say we had a higher high here. Market comes back to higher high. Market breaks down. We come down to a what? A lower low. Who's potentially in control here? Sellers, right? Market runs back up. If the market's running back up, is this another move with the trend or against it? Possibly against it, right? Market runs back up and then boom, right? They knock it back down. We get a rally. What's probably likely to happen? Boom, knock it back down again, right? So now again, we're talking about the weekly chart here, right? So it's not like this is not like a form of the next few months, but this is potentially, guys, the start to see what let's go to the daily chart right now, okay? We're now likely to start to see this being a significant lower high. And if we're looking at this market right now, guys, look at this market here right now. We have what? Shoulder, head, massive shoulder. If we break this level here and we start to see a rally down, we're likely to start to break that level there, which is that level there on the weekly chart. If that happens, then we're likely to start to see an overall stair-stepping phase and the start of the next bear market. Warning, warning, warning. If you have stocks in the market right now, I would recommend selling a portion of those and buying put options to protect your portfolio. Hey traders, John Howell here, and I am so confident in my education in helping you actually get results that I'm going to let you test it all out for free. That's my top 5 trading courses valued at $5,188. The foundations, chart reading, advanced chart reading sections, trading systems, and so much more, millionaire mindset, and so much more. I am so confident that you're going to get so much value this that I'm just going to let you test it all out for free. I'm also going to give you free access to the Trader's Secret Weekly, where every single week you're going to get live training and coaching from me personally every single week in helping you. And once again, I am so confident in my education, my training, and also my coaching every single week that I'm going to give you free access for 7 days for you to test it all out. And hey, if you're not happy, just let me know and you'll never be billed. So, and if you are happy, guess what? You'll be happy to actually pay for the service, right? You'll be actually be happy to be able to stay a member to the Trader's Secret Weekly, keep getting the trainings and the coaching every single week. I'm so confident that you're going to love it that I'm willing to put so you know what, test it all out for free. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm doing this as a bit of a special here right now. So click on the link below right now. On the next page, register for free to get free 7-day access to the Trader's Secret Weekly. And when you get access to the Trader's Secret Weekly membership, you'll be able to start getting access to the live training and coaching every single week. Plus also those 5 trading courses valued at $5,188. You can start getting access today right now and test it all out for 7 days. And if you are not happy at all, and you don't think this is the most powerful, most amazing education on the planet, just let me know within your 7 days and you'll never, ever, ever be billed. That's how confident I am. So here's the thing. I truly believe that you shouldn't pay for education and coaching that you don't truly believe in and that you truly don't want, right? So I'm flipping this whole thing on its head. I'm giving you free access. And once you've tested it out for a whole week, then if you're happy to stay a member to the Trader's Secret Weekly, then you'll be happy to pay for it, right? But if you're not, let me know and you'll never be billed. But I'm running this as a bit of a special offer here to my Trader's Secret Weekly. So I'm giving away all these trading courses. I'm giving away free access and so on, so you know, and all that sort of stuff as well too. So click on the link below right now, log in the membership. And if you do not believe that this is the most powerful, most amazing education and also coaching on the planet, just let me know and you will never pay a single dime. That's how confident I am in what you're about to see. But as I said before, I'm running this as a bit of a special. So click on the link below right now, click on the button below right now, go over right now and register for the free training and go do that right now. So click on the button below and I look forward to seeing you on the next live training and coaching course.